What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I'm out here sweating this humidity, but y'all see the car cover is off that nag right there. Yes, sir. The car cover is off. So let me tell y'all know I be tinkering and stuff off camera a lot. BCG Hangout, y'all really know I be tinkering a lot. So the plan, I got two things I need to try. One, some with some tire pressure, cause I tried some the other week and that joker went to the good, and I ran the fastest I ever ran. So the goal today, at least in Mexico, the goal today is to top that. Cause I got something else I need to try. Let's see if it's gonna pick up. So today I'm finna move wifey car out the way, and then I'm gonna get her to follow me so we can get the outside clip, cause I need to see what it looking like on the outside, man. Most of the time, I don't think y'all ever seen the outside pass on this truck. I don't think I ever recorded one, honestly. I haven't. I ain't never recorded no outside shakedown with this truck. I never. Now, not like a legitimate shakedown. I done hit it, but I don't think I ever recorded a shakedown from the outside with this truck, man. The only time y'all seen the truck from the outside is when me and my boy Jesse played around. But other than that, I ain't never made no solo hit that y'all saw. So that's the plan today, man. We're gonna, especially before the rain come in, man. But it feels good. I think it'll do pretty good too, cause the sun ain't out. So I'm gonna do that, man. We're finna get wifey to go up street, but I need to go ahead and get that box installed. I'm just checking over everything, y'all. I need to get that box installed to make sure I can use the nitrous in two-step, cause I need that so I can use my tram brake. And somebody asked about the emblem, man. I don't know where that thing at, man. At this point, it wasn't that much. I ain't even thought to go cancel the order. I ordered the thing months ago, man, but it was on back order when I ordered it. So, I mean, I ain't never got no email notification. I need to check on it, but I'm gonna go to another site and order it, man, cause y'all remember when I first got painted, I blew that joker off. That emblem blew clean off of there. So I'm gonna have to look for another website, cause when I ordered carparts.com, it was on back order at the time, and I still ain't seen nothing. That was months ago when I first told y'all. So we finna crank this nag up. I'm gonna move it right down the driveway a little bit, and then we should, like I said, I'm gonna go on up there and make it happen, make shakedown happen and stuff. I plan on making 2. I might make more than 2, but I ain't gonna put everything on camera. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm gonna put at least 2 on camera, but I ain't gonna put everything on camera. Cause I got some more stuff I'm gonna try. I'm telling you, I'm shooting. I'm gonna be testing tuning basically, but I'm gonna let y'all see some of it. So anyway, man, I'm finna cut y'all off. Let's get to it. I'm finna make me a old shakedown, man. I gotta see what this thing look like on the outside, or the outside of the car, man, with that new car. I'm telling you, this joker went the fastest it ever went the other day. I ain't even recorded. It went the fastest it ever went. I gotta try some new tire pressure. I got new tire pressure, boy. I gotta try some. I'm telling you, this joker gonna leave here. This joker here gonna leave here. Listen at it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Listen at it. So we're getting that ready. Look at the whole truck shaking. I got something I gotta try, bro. It's spitting all that condensation out. I'm finna go make a shakedown, man. Finna get that outside footage Y'all about to see how the old brown coat move. Y'all finna see how the old brown coat move, cause before long, it gonna have nitrous on it. I got some stuff cooking, it gonna have some nitrous on it. And then we're gonna go fast. Then we're gonna test the nitrous. So man, I meant to put the slicks on it. I ain't never tried it with slick, but I got something I gotta try with this tire pressure, man. So I'm finna go to Mexico, and then we finna make that hit. And y'all finna see what this thing moving like, man. I'm gonna give y'all a 60-foot view, and then we're gonna do a top end view, cause I'm gonna make 2 on them. So y'all just stay tuned. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Man, hey, listen here. Let me tell y'all something, man. I'm gonna tell y'all something, boy. Hey, woo! It's amazing how much different a good working transmission makes. I'm telling you. I say a good working, not meaning just cause it's shifting. I mean a good working transmission, man. Hey, that joker, let me tell you this. I'm gonna tell y'all the difference between like a smooth pass and a wild looking pass. Cause people be seeing cars do all the crazy stuff, this and that, man. They be thinking, hey, that joker riding. That joker riding. Man, y'all seen the second pass when I came to fly by. And I know y'all heard, I was pedaling stuff. The first pass was faster than the second pass. And that joker moved now. It might not look like it on camera. It might look like it was just smooth. But that joker was moving something. And they put down some mile per hour on that first one, boy. I tried 2 things different. I told you the tire pressure. I put a little heat in the tire, cause I had to do that. But I tried something else different to calm it down. And boy, hey, look, y'all thought it paused, then y'all thought the video froze, boy. Brown coat, listen to me, my brother. You have earned your spot in the fleet. All these cars have to earn their spot in the fleet, man. This truck has earned its spot in the fleet, man. So, I'm tell you, these tires, these Nittos, they kind of tricky. They tricky. I tried them at the track. I tried them at the road. In the road, I need some new ones now. They about down. They down to the tread, boy. But they tricky, man. And then I put on a show. After that too, man. I lit it up, boy. I went up through there. Hey, that's how I went up through there. Man. Look, hold it. Oh, Mary, I'm coming to see you. Not Mary. Oh, I forgot what my boy Red Fox used to say. I'm coming to see you. This the big one. That's what I was saying, boy. Hey, that joker rhyme, boy. Hey, y'all got to go, man. I'm telling you, if you ain't following me on Instagram, man, y'all got to follow me on Instagram. On my Jmalcom 2004 Ride Facebook. I be putting stuff up on that, man, that don't even be putting in the vlog. If y'all following, then y'all know, man. I be putting different clips up there. It be burnouts and stuff. Y'all don't be seeing, man, little funny stuff. I be putting stuff in on them pages. I mean, I can't even talk, boy. This over here, man. I'm so proud of this truck for real, man. That's why I said, man, you never stop testing. You never stop testing. You get your car or your ride where you want it. You know what I'm saying? You get it to that little spot where you want it. But you never stop testing, man. You never stop testing. I'm telling you, cause it can get better. It can get better, man. Look, y'all know, long as I had this truck, man, just last week, I ran the fastest I ever ran in this truck, at least in Mexico. Last week, out of all the time, before I got it painted, when I got it painted, I ran the fastest I ever ran in this truck last week, man. And then I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I did a little more than what y'all seen on camera. I did a little more than what y'all seen on camera, but just know I just beat the fastest pass I made last week. I just beat it today. Today, man. I'm telling you, man, this joke here. I'm ready to go to the track. I ain't doing no more. And I just tried something on 2 things I had to try out. That's why I turned y'all on. They work. I'm ready to go to the track. I gotta get that 60-14 box in, cause I want to go to the track now. I was talking to my little bro Cedro, and we was like, bro, you might well wait, man, till that joker got the brake all the way installed like you want to end the gas, so you can just go. But man, this joker, I'm telling you, this joker faster now than when I first got it. It's faster now. I'm telling you, it's faster, man. I'm talking some tenths. It's some tenths faster, called that transmission. And see, it's some stuff wrong with that transmission. I just ain't tell y'all. When when he dug in, it was some stuff wrong with that transmission. It was shifting, and I running at the track and stuff. You can drive it, but it was some stuff wrong, man. And I'm telling you, this joker some tenths faster off a transmission chain. I want to cap to y'all, man. If you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all gonna know. I tell y'all everything. This joker is some tenths faster, man. Like, and that first pad y'all seen, it was so smooth. It probably didn't look like it was going that fast, but I'm telling you, that joker was smooth. That was a good pad too now. Don't get me wrong. It was a good pad too. But brown coat, it ready. Brown coat, it dead ready, man. This joker dead pulling. So next time, oh, what I got coming up next with brown coat, I got it scheduled in to get the 60-14 installed. But I'm gonna take some people for some ride, cause I ain't done a lot of ride racing in the truck. I'm gonna start scheduling some people, man. Some people y'all ain't never seen and stuff. I ain't never had on the channel. I'm gonna get some new faces on the channel and put them in the truck. I'm gonna start holding down with the truck, man. Cause boy, this joker here, ready. And it feels so radical, cause it light. That's what it is. It's just so light. It feels so radical. But anyway, man, they're gonna wrap it up, man. Y'all got to see some outside brown coat footage. And honestly, I don't think y'all ever seen outside brown coat footage, except when me and Jesse played around. But like a solo, I don't think y'all ever seen no outside footage. So I think this the first time too. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.